Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to increase daily transaction limit on RBC Royal Bank. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your client card or username. After entering, click on Next. Here, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Products and Services. On the left side menu of this page, you will see tab for Account Services. Click on Account Services. Then on this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Daily Transaction Limits. On this page, you will see some information about your daily transaction limits. Beside your client card number, you will see an option for Edit Limits. Click on Edit Limits. Here, to increase your daily transaction limits, you could choose from moving the slider or entering the amount on the Amount field based on your preferences. Next, choose an expiry date. It means that the limit you're going to set will last for 60 days. Once the 60 days had passed, the transaction limit will go back to its default limit. After that, click on Next. Lastly, review the changes you made. Note that, you can only make temporary limit changes up to 3 times per year. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you increase daily transaction limit on RBC Royal Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.